Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at a must-have device for your cleaning tasks. The Bosch EasyAquatak 110. Compact, easy to handle, and budget-friendly, this pressure washer is designed to meet the needs of users looking for a simple and effective solution. This model is praised for its value, but is it a good deal? In this video, we'll analyze strengths, limitations, and compare it with other models. Find a link in the description if interested. Don't forget, if you're interested in this device, you'll find a direct link in the description. The Bosch EasyAquatak 110 is a pressure washer that stands out for its compact and well-thought-out design. With its small dimensions, it's easy to store, even in tight spaces like a closet or a packed garage. Once assembled, it's only about the length of an forearm, which makes it super convenient for transport. Each accessory fits perfectly on the device. The lance, the gun, the pressure hose, and the detergent tank can be attached directly to the main body. This built-in storage system prevents clutter and ensures that every component is within reach during use. The device is sturdy yet lightweight, easy to maneuver. Ideal for cleaning cars, it's a smart choice. This makes it perfect for occasional uses, like cleaning cars, outdoor furniture, or small patios. It's a smart choice for those who want a functional device, without clutter. The EasyAquatak 110 is characterized by well-balanced technical specifications for a pressure washer in this range. With a maximum pressure of 110 bar, it provides enough power for most household tasks. Its water flow rate reaches 330 liters per hour, ensuring effective cleaning on moderately dirty surfaces. The 1,300-watt motor ensures stable and reliable performance. The device comes with a 3-meter high-pressure hose. The power cord is 5 meters long, offering good reach for most household needs, like washing large vehicles. The power cord, on the other hand, is 5 meters long, providing a good reach for most household situations. 2 interchangeable nozzles are included: an adjustable spray nozzle, which lets you change the width of the spray based on your needs, and a rotating nozzle, perfect for removing stubborn dirt. The 450 milliliters detergent tank is a handy addition for tasks like car washing, or for cleaning surfaces with soap. In testing, the EasyAquatak 110 showed good performance for general work. It's effective for cleaning cars. Adjustable spray for flexible cleaning. The ability to adjust the jet provides great flexibility to switch from gentle cleaning to more targeted action. However, it does have its limits on larger or heavily soiled surfaces, like patios with old moss or very dirty walls. In that case, you'll need to plan for more time or consider a more powerful device. The lightweight design of the device is a major advantage. It's easy to move around, even though the 3-meter hose might require you to reposition the device frequently, especially when cleaning a large vehicle. Fortunately, its light design makes it easy to handle. To better understand the EasyAquatak 110, let's take a look at how it compares to other models in the same range. The EasyAquatak 100 is a model that offers a maximum pressure of 100 bar and a water flow rate of 260 liters per hour. This makes it a suitable device for very simple tasks, like quickly cleaning tools or small items. The performance is limited, but it's still perfect for occasional use and is often sold at a more affordable price. On the other hand, the EasyAquatak 120 is designed for users who need more power. With a pressure of 120 bar and a flow rate of 350 liters per hour, it's more effective on tough surfaces, like dirty patios or large vehicles. This model is, however, heavier and more expensive, which makes it ideal for more demanding tasks. EasyAquatak 110 is suitable for common household tasks like cleaning cars, patios, or furniture, offering good pressure, compactness, and affordability. Especially for cleaning cars, small patios, or garden furniture, while still being easy to use and store. The Bosch EasyAquatak 110 is ideal for high-pressure cleaning. It's compact, affordable, and effective for simple tasks. Its design and performance make it excellent for everyday jobs like washing a car or cleaning small surfaces, offering great value at around €90. Like washing a car or cleaning small exterior surfaces for a price of around €90, it offers very attractive value for money. If you need extra reach or higher pressure, the EasyAquatak 120 might be a better option. But for most household uses, the 110 is more than enough. The link to buy this device is in the description. Every purchase made through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, to like this video, and of course, to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.